everyone, we are KBest, your one-stop PCB manufacturer. Maybe you are wondering what PCBA really is. Today, let's talk about it.
PCBA stands for Printed Circuit Board Assembly. It is used everywhere, such as in your smartphones to ensure stable operation, as well as in car chargers to supply power for your electric vehicles. Therefore, PCBA is a crucial part for all electronic products. By following, you'll gain a clear understanding of KBest's position in the electronic industry chain. As the upstream, our suppliers provide PCB and components. We assemble the PCB with various components in our SMT and DIP workshops, creating the core circuit board inside an electronic product. This marks the last step of the finished product. When it turns to the downstream, brand owners complete the outer casing. Then the product is ready for market. But why don't you assemble by yourself instead of choosing us? As you focus on urgent tasks like research and development to capture market, investment in factory increases capital and time costs, slow down product launches. Therefore, leave specialized tasks to professional companies like us. KBest has extensive industry experience and professional assembly capabilities, can help you cost down and a faster time to market.
To sum up, we are a PCBA manufacturer that integrates SMT, DIP, finished assembly, and testing. Thanks for joining us today. Now, contact us. We will provide you free DFMA report for your company.